Welcome to Meister Factor. We have the ideal solution to unclog your drain. Here's how it works. First, open the locking screw. Push the spiral out of the drum by hand. Then insert it into the drain. Pull the spiral up by 6 inches above the drain. Tighten the screw again. Start cranking now, while at the same time pushing the spiral further down the drain. Repeat this process until the blockage is released. To finish, pull the spiral out of the drain while turning it. Open the screw and simply push the spiral back into the drum by hand. After just a few minutes, your drain will be free again. We at the Meister Factor team thank you for your trust.